What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do a quick video to show you how to fix your door if you're having problems opening it from the outside. And this is for a C6 Corvette. Not sure if it'll work for a C7, should work for a C5. So if you're having problems opening your door from the outside, this is the fix. Now if you're having a problem opening it from the outside and the inside, then that's another problem. You need to replace your door latch. So let me show you what parts you're gonna need to fix your door if you are having problems from opening it from the outside only. Or let me give you a quick tip also. If you don't want to replace this part, it's only $20. You may as well. You can always take it apart and clean it. To me, it's just easier just to replace it with a new one. So this is the part that we're going to be replacing. Okay. My doors work, but I had to replace it on the driver's side. But I'm just going to show you the process of how to fix it. Now you can get this part from Amazon, which I'll probably put a link below. It's pretty cheap. I think I paid $23. The GM part number is 22751230. And all you need is that part and a trusty screwdriver. Okay. So let's go out to the car. Now if you can't open your door, which you won't, I'm going to show you how to open the door. You have to go in from the driver's side. See this little switch right here? You'll have to pull it. That pops the door. And you'll have to crawl over and open your door from the inside. Now, if you ever get stuck in your car, most people don't know this, but there's a little latch right there. You just pull it up, just like a trunk handle. So if your doors aren't working, you got a way out. I know there was a person that died because he didn't know that latch was there. Okay. So here's what we're going to replace. We're going to take this out right here. And as you can see, it's just a couple of screws that you have to pull apart. So all you have to do, take your screwdriver, unscrew these two screws. I need to clean that. Kind of dirty. It's actually plug and play. Once you take those two screws out, this comes off. I won't unplug it, but it's pretty easy to unplug because this is a new one actually. All you do is unplug this and replace it with your new one, and voila, you fixed it. Put that back in like that. Snap that back on, or put it back on. It doesn't snap on. Stick your screw in there to hold its position. Now what you're going to have to make sure, which I just almost forgot, is you got to slide that back over. Got to slide it back over your door. Put your screws back in and your door is fixed. It's as simple as that. Don't take it to the dealership. They're going to charge you an arm and a leg. Don't take it to no performance shop. Fix it yourself.